In this video, we'll talk about how Cademy handles payments. When an order is placed through Cademy, the credit card information entered here is not actually processed by us. This entire field is handled by a company called Stripe. You might have heard of Stripe. It's similar to PayPal, essentially a payment processing service, and it's used by some of the biggest companies in the world like Booking, Deliveroo, and so on. So we use them because we want the payment details to be processed quickly and most importantly, safely. So what happens is when they pay, all of that transaction is handled through Stripe. Now, with that in mind, I want to highlight that once the payment is made, what do we want to happen? We want to transfer that money into your account as quickly as possible. There's two ways to do that right now in Cademy. So if you go into your profile section here, there's a option to enter your name and bank account number and sort code. And what that will allow us to do is to transfer money to you once someone makes an order, places an order. However, this option is slow. It's we have to wait until the booking has taken place, and so the class has taken place. Otherwise, there might be a cancellation, and there's no way for us to get money back from you. And we have to do it manually. So we usually do it once a month. So this is an inefficient process. What we ideally want to happen is as soon as the booking takes place, as soon as the order takes place, that money to go into your account straight away. And to achieve that, what we recommend you do is install Stripe as an app here. So go into the app section, click on Stripe, click install. So if you already have a Stripe account, you will be able to just log in with that account. You'll be able to log in, you don't have to create a new one. If you don't have one, you'll be able to create one on the fly. So there's a button here to create a new account. You'll just need to enter your bank account details, like sort code, bank account number, and your contact details, and you'll be able to create your account on the fly. I already have an account with Stripe, and I'll just click to select that. I might be prompted to enter my password, and I'll do that. There we go, log in. And it's going to prompt me to confirm that I want to link my account, and that should be it. It's returning me to Cademy, and once it's done, I should see an alert that the app is installed. You can, if you want to, if you have a Stripe account but don't want to link it to us, you have an option to create a new account within Stripe. So in Stripe, let me open up a new window. I have two different accounts here, and if you don't want to link your main account to Cademy, there's an option to just create a separate account, and it will be pushing money in the same bank account in the end, but you can use just that separate account if you want to keep billing or accounting separate for some reason. There you go, that's an option. Lastly, I want to talk about the options for our fees. You see, Stripe does charge 1.4 to 2.9% transaction fees, but that's not going to matter for you because we absorb those fees ourselves. So within our transaction fees of 3.9%, that covers anything that would be charged by Stripe. So using Stripe here doesn't incur any extra cost for you. Now, there's also the option to absorb the fees or pass these fees to the customer at the point when they check out. So in this example here, when I look at this course, the price for the course is £100, but I've chosen to configure my Stripe account and my payment details here to pass on those fees to the customer. So the 3.9 plus 20p fees are added to the checkout flow, and the customer will have to pay £104. And once the payment is made into the Stripe account, we're going to transfer straight away £100. So that means that you keep your full amount and the customer is covering the transaction fee. Now you can choose to absorb that fee. So if I enable this like this, what's going to happen is when customers check out, they're going to be paying 100 quid or the net amount that you list for the price of your course. And when the transfer to your Stripe account happens, we're going to deduct that £4, and you're just going to get 96 in your account, if that makes sense. I hope this answers your questions around payments. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out through the live chat at the bottom right of our website. Thanks and take care.